Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. Listen, I am at Walmart for my, what is this going to be? My midweek moneymaker haul for you guys. This is super easy. Like, Ibotta, like, thank you, Ibotta. Thank you. Super easy. I only need 10 rebates for $5. We're tracking towards that larger bonus as well. What else? I did do some rebates at CVS yesterday, so I'm definitely gonna get more than 10, which I'm okay with. It'll just make it that much easier for me to knock out my weekend with the larger bonus this weekend. I did post a little quick CVS video yesterday. I so apologize for double what do you call it? Like double loading, double uploading. I don't normally like to post 2 videos in one day, but I didn't want to push that CVS video because today would be Walmart and then I would have to push it until tomorrow. But a lot of you guys have been asking me questions about it, so that's why I want to do the video on it. And a lot of you guys are pretty much more less like, I mean, they're going to lose a lot of business. But, I mean, they probably see it as in, like, the situations that, you know, could be possible reasons for suspension are costing them money. So, in essence, are they really losing money? You know, I mean, I don't know. They might see it like that. If you're new here, duh. If you're new here and it's your first time seeing this lovely face, yes, this lovely face, definitely make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you smash the like button. Support your girl. It's the simplest, cheapest. I know y'all like free, right? It's free. Smash the like button. Support your girl. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you want to share, share. And last but not least, make sure that your post notifications are on so you never saw the videos. Without further ado, let's head over to Walmart and see what kind of deals we can grab this week. Alright guys, so this first deal is on the Haagen-Dazs ice cream. This has been posted like all over Instagram. They are priced on rollback for $3.97. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 different flavors. I'll end up paying $7.94, but I'll get back $2 on Tada. And then 87 cents times 2 on Checkout 51. And then last but not least is 400 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.60, bringing them down to only 50 cents per box. This next deal I have been doing pretty much on repeat is on the Coca-Cola Ultimate. I tried it. It's not bad, but you know, honestly, I'm just not a fan of these limited edition sodas. But we've been grabbing it anyways because it's been really cheap. And so we're gonna grab 2 of them priced at $2.08. You end up paying $2.16 out of pocket. You'll get back $3 on Swagbucks, My Points Inbox, or Tada, and then 52 cents for each one on Checkout 51. So it brings them down to only like 6 cents each, which is definitely not bad. The other deal I've been doing on repeat is on the Mentos. They are priced at $1.36. You're gonna grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $2.72 and get back 25 cents for each on Ibotta. There's also $1 on either Swagbucks, My Points Inbox, or Tada. And then last but not least, you got 200 kicks on Shopkick, which is 80 cents, bringing them down to only 21 cents. Here is another deal that I'm doing on repeat. It's on the Chupa Chups and the, well, Chupa Chups and the Chupa Chups. So the top one is priced at $2.94. The bottom one is $3.13. The kicks on Shopkick are 800, so you're getting back a total of $3.20. So it makes one of them a 26-cent moneymaker and one of them a 7-cent moneymaker. Deal here is on the Ocean Spray Immunity. Now this has drastically decreased on Swagbucks. I think it's like 25 cents now. It's literally, I was in store, checked it, it was $4. Checked out, it was 25 cents. So I put a ticket in and they credited me, which is cool. So whenever you guys have issues with the apps, it doesn't hurt to put a ticket in, because either that or I would have just had to bring it back, which I don't really like bringing. I don't like bringing stuff back, period, but I really don't like bringing food back. And so grabbing a total of 4 of them at $3.44, you end up paying $13.76, 6 getting back 6 on Ibotta, 8 on Inbox, making them a 24-cent moneymaker. Now, I've already maxed it out on Checkout 51, so you might have it there, making it an even bigger moneymaker. I don't see any. They just have one little lonely little bottle of Lipton, y'all. But it is priced at $1.88, 50 cents on Ibotta, and then there is $1 on coupons.com, Alexar Shop Me'em. I'm making this a 62-cent moneymaker. Alright, so this next deal is on the Caesar dog food. I think I saw, I'm trying to think who I saw post this deal first. I've seen a few people post it, but I want to say Erica at Coupon Mode was one of the first ones I saw post this deal on the Caesar dog food. It's priced at $16.96 for the 12 count. So you want to grab one of them, you'll get back $5 on Ibotta. There's also $5 on coupons.com, Alexa, and ShopMeum, and then 450 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.80, making it only 16 cents. The other deal I believe she shared is on the Purina Benefield. These are priced at $2.12, so I grabbed two of them, paid $4.14, and got back 75 cents for each on Ibotta, and $1.25 on coupons.com, Alexa, or ShopMeum, bringing them down to only 12 cents each. This next deal is on the Glad Force Flex trash bags. They're priced at $9.48. Now I was watching Keep Calm couponing. Cynthia mentioned that these worked for the rebate on Swagbucks. I only have one store in my area that carries them, so we're gonna grab a total of two of them. We'll end up paying $18.96 out of pocket, but we should get back $12 on Swagbucks. My points inbox dollars are ta-da, and then $2 for each box on Ibotta, bringing them down to $1.48. So this next deal is on the Armor All Extreme Shield Ceramic. I was so stoked they finally got this at my store, you guys. They're priced at $5.12, so for this you're gonna grab two of them. You'll end up paying $10.24 out of pocket, but getting back $5.47 for buying two on Ibotta, and then $5 on inbox dollars, Swagbucks, my points, ta-da. And then last but not least was 69 cents times 2 on checkout 51, making both of them free plus $1.61 money. Next deal is on the Axe Fine Fragrance Body Washes. They're priced at $6.27. Now for this, I've been using a $2 chair pad I got from CVS. That'll bring the total down to $4.27, and then getting back $3 on Ibotta is gonna make it $1.27. Now I do have a threshold offer on Fetch Reward. I think it's spend 15, get back 3. After a Fetch Reward, it'll make it free. This next deal is on the Axe Fine Deodorant Spray. It's priced at $8.38. I'm using that $2 Tear Pack coupon from CVS. You'll end up paying $4.38 out of pocket, and then you're gonna get back $4 on Ibotta, and then there's $2 on coupons.com, Alexa, or ShopMeum, making that only 38 cents. Next deal, who shared this deal? I want to say it was Keep Calm couponing. So it's priced at $1.88, and we're getting back, how much are we getting back? We're getting back 475 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.90, bringing this down to only 2 cents. On the Shea Moisture Men, it is priced at $8.37. Grabbing two of them, you end up paying $16.74. We've got $6 on coupons.com, Alexa, and ShopMeum. And then this also counts for the offer on Fetch Reward, spend 15, get back 3, so you get back 3 there, making these only like 87 cents. Now, when I was at another store yesterday, I found, I think it was this one right here. I think it was this one. I found this one on clearance for like $6 something. So I grabbed that and got back $4 on Ibotta. There's $4 on, I want to say I had it on Ta-Da, and then I had it on, I think, ShopMeum. And so it made that a really, really awesome money maker. On the Suave, the only reason why I'm doing this deal is because I'm super close. I'm like $3 away from getting another $3 on Fetch Reward. So I'm gonna grab two of them, priced at $2.94. I'll be using a $2 off of 2 coupon right here that I got from my Ip Fairy. I'll end up paying like $3.88 for 2 of them, but getting back $3 on Fetch and making them only 44 cents each. This next deal that we're doing is on the Doveman carrots on the 2-in-1, priced at $4.98. I'm gonna grab 2 of them. I'll pay $9.96. There's $4 back on coupons.com, Alexa, or ShopMeum. I think I had it kind of on Ta-Da as well. So it'll bring them down to like 98 cents each. Alright guys, why did I find myself over here? The lady, when I was checking out, she was like, hey, they have leggings over there for $4. And I was just like, oh. And they're so cute. Look, they have these here. They had some Reeboks ones over there, but they're all gone. All they have is extra small. Your girl can't fit no extra small right now. Not this right now. Nope. So yeah, I could do a small, but I can't do extra small. But yeah, I thought these were super cute. So I think what I'm gonna do is get a couple outfits to help motivate me to get back into the gym, because you know your girl ain't been to the gym. So we'll get these 2 and this one because it matches. And I really want to get this one here. Yeah, but keep your eyes peeled at your stores for some clearance. Let me see if I can show you over here really quick. I don't want to be like in nobody's face with my camera though. I love the Love Sport brand, and I think all of these are on clearance too. These right here are, looks like these are all $5. I see some for $7, some for $5. This is really cute. I think I might get this one. I know this is not that type of video, you guys, but these are so cute. Anyway, so check your stores for active wear on clearance. All right, let me just show you really quick. So I just went ahead and got this matching set here, $4 a piece, so $8 for one set. And then this one here. I low-key was gonna get the matching top, but then I think it would have been like too busy, so yeah, super cute. So $4 a piece, so I'm getting all of this for 16 bucks. We're gonna cash out with a gift card from Ibotta and use it to pay for this. So yeah. All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for today. So let me tell you, that Arm & Hammer, that deal on Ibotta went quick. It was like lightning flash. That went so fast. But I did do that, I think, like 2 days ago. I did toss on a few things that I did at CVS, being the Sheba and the Off and the Steam, which that'll be in the Google Doc. The cold brew I got from Target. It's an aisles deal, so it makes it absolutely free. And then it's also on Ibotta for $3. And I realized that there was brand club surveys for it as well, so I got back $1.60. So that ended up being like a $4.60 moneymaker on that. This was the gel that I found on clearance. It actually did scan for more than that. Like it was scanned for like, I think regular price actually. And the cashier had to price modify it. But I did submit for that on, I think I did that on Tada and Shopmium and Ibotta. So I made that a really nice moneymaker. Ocean Spray went down drastically. Like went in store, it was there, $4. Checked out, it was $4. Went to scan my receipt, literally inside the store still, and it went down to 25 cents. And it's weird because I still had my window open for it, and it still said $4, but as soon as I submitted it and it processed, it said 25 cents. So I put a ticket in for that. They did credit me $3.75 as if I bought 2, but I told them, hey, I bought 4, and so I'm waiting to hear back on that. Other than that, you guys, everything else worked out pretty good. I did find those trash bags at only one store in my area. That's the same store that I found the hair gel. And what else? I think that's basically it. We did the candy twice because the kicks are at 800. I gave the other 4 bags to my sister yesterday. So I figured once I'm done with this video and she comes over again, I'll give those to her as well. But this worked out to be a pretty, pretty awesome little haul, you guys. So what else did I want to add real quick? Oh, really quick. One store that I went to today, I was using a Walmart gift card in self-checkout, which I always do by just scanning it with a little gun, and it did not work. So I don't know if I don't know if that store updated their system or what, but I couldn't use the gift card by scanning on my phone, which sucks. And I remember way back when they stopped us from scanning gift cards from our phone, and we had to add the gift cards to our Walmart Pay, which I don't really want to do. But if I have to, right? Yeah, use the gift card for my exercise clothes. I ended up buying 3 sets, you guys. I think it was like less than 25 bucks. And I was using the Walmart gift card that I got from Ibotta, and it wouldn't scan, so I had to use my PayPal. But then when I went to another store to do the trash bags, I used that $25 gift card, the $20 gift card, and it worked there, which is weird. So, but yeah, but everything here worked out really good. Everything you see here retails $232.27. I only had $20 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $212.27 out of pocket. And then I walk away with $70.97 from my Ibotta. Shopkick is $22.10. Tada was $19. Checkout 51 was $5.72. Inbox dollars was $12. Shopmium was $31.75. Alexa was $22.25. Swagbucks was $12. Fetch was $24.02. Aisles was $5.69. Brand Club $1.60. and $5 back in extra care bucks, which was for the steam. Really quick with Fetch Reward. So Fetch Reward, they actually have a lot of different offers on there. Spend 15, get back 3. And I did that, and I ended up getting back, I think 2 receipts was like 7-ish, and then 1 receipt I think was like 3-ish. So it worked out to be really good, although I did have to have my receipt corrected by scanning the items. And then the only reason why I ended up getting the Shea Moisture is because I was really close to getting back 3. And then I think I did the Suave and the Dove because I was close again getting back the 3. So that's why I did those extra deals, because I figured why not. And so we walk away with a total of $232.10 back in rebates, our extra care bucks. And so it makes everything you see here free plus $19.83 moneymaker. Now my tax for this was $14.95. And so after tax, we still make almost $5, which is really cool. And so other than that, I will leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.